Let's address a quick earnings outlook. Essar Ports came out with numbers, 4% higher is how the stock closed trade. Rajiv Agarwal, who's the MD of the company, joins in on the show right now. Rajiv, good to have you on the show. Take us through the highlights of this quarter. Your profit performance has come in 21% higher. Sales have come in 11% higher. What's the outlook from here?
Well, we feel that the slowdown that has been seen in the last few years in the cargo build out has kind of bottomed out, and because the decline was due to the decline in iron ore numbers, which are seeing some kind of increase, and on the other side the coal volumes have really started picking up. So looking at all these and the steady growth that we have seen in the petroleum and oil products and container segment, we feel that the overall cargo scenario, the growth in the sector is going to come back to a decent number, and we expect that these numbers should start reflecting in the performance of the companies in the quarters to come. So we are quite hopeful, and we have also got into some new projects. So we won the Vizag Outer Harbour Terminal, which we feel that by the end of this year we should be able to start getting revenues out of that. So that, along with some other growth in the the existing terminals, we expect the numbers to be good in future.
How is the picture look like operationally for you this quarter?
Well, operational numbers are good. Operational picture, if you see that we have maintained an 81% EBITDA margin. The company is maintaining. We are the expenses are pretty much in control. The borrowings are very much in control. So looking at all that, we are quite comfortably poised as far as the operations are concerned. We have recently got some good awards on safety, both at Hazira as well as at Vizag. So operationally, we have no worries. We are also expecting new projects to get some extra momentum, like at Salaya, and we are expecting the forest clearance to come very quickly now. After that, we expect the project to get completed in the next 1 year, and likewise in Paradeep also we are expecting the case which was filed in Supreme Court against the Paradeep Port Trust will get resolved, and we will be able to start construction. So overall, we feel that we will, in the next 2 years, be able to complete the 180 million tons of capacity built out, which will really be helpful in growing the company from the present 104 million tons, and also maybe taking the revenues 3 times over the next 3-4 years.
Right. Okay. We need to cut across to Dr. Reddy's as well. But Rajiv, just very quickly, before we wrap up, very quickly, how do you expect the second half to be? Growth of 15-20%, you think is possible?
Yeah, I think by the end of the year we will be probably growing at around 10 to 12%. That's my sense.
Rajiv, appreciate you giving us this interview. Need to cut across on a set of earnings. Thanks so much for joining in today. Okay, having finished Essar Ports, let's cut across to Dr. Reddy's.
Far higher than the market growth, but overall Russian projections this year is lower than last year. The third part is in North America. I think we've done very well. You've seen a lot of